we're trying to do with the group here in Carestream in Light City is a combination of electrical, mechanical, 4-year apprenticeship. So you can walk into a piece of equipment and actually maintain it or build it electrically or mechanically. So what I saw with the program with Brian is he was able to learn and get experience and validate that he could come into the maintenance group, and it was very easy for him to do that.
I was a mentor for Brian Haas. He was so willing to learn and wanted to learn. You give him this little tidbit of information and he just excelled. It's really gratifying.
My name is Brian Hawes. Started Carestream in 2011 as a temp. I am a first responder moving into a millwright position at Carestream Health.
A lot of people don't know what a millwright is, and a millwright is an industrial maintenance mechanic. They go in and repair and maintain equipment, industrial type of equipment.
The knowledge skill transfer program entailed a lot of one-on-one time with my mentor, Jay Cardwell. We did things that around the plant that needed to be done, but were good training exercises. There was times where I have the privilege of working alongside these guys on normal shift as well. So that helped me, see what they do on a daily basis, the tasks they deal with on a daily basis. And that's one of the best things about the knowledge skill transfer program brought to me, was really showing me that, I may not know everything that needs to be known as a millwright, but I can do it. I just got to have confidence in myself.
You need to have your maintenance team, you need to put the money into it, and you have to find the money because you're not always going to get it from the corporation. So one of the things that I learned in the Valley is you have the WorkSource of Oregon, which is a really, really good benefit to your company, to your training, to your investment in your people, and you need to understand how to use that. You use that by getting on-the-job training rebates. You profile with the NCRC so that you're upgrading your incoming employees. There's a whole relationship with them that you can do that's going to subsidize what you're doing at your plant. So you can increase your budget for training by just working with the WorkSource of Oregon. Then on top of all of that, you're putting the money back in the RCC. And you're making the community grow. You have better education in the community that you're in, which in turn helps the high school students getting out of school. It gives them an opportunity for you to get the best talent in the Valley, along with getting your training at your facility upgraded to what you need.
That program allowed those hours, those one-on-one hours, to really happen. Without that, I don't think I would have got that one-on-one time.
To be able to fill up the gap between the pool that we have to draw from for the future maintenance personnel, we need to start exposing these young people into maintenance fields. Let them see what's available, let them use their hands, let them gain that knowledge.
If you want talent in such a small community, you have to train them. You can't just say, I'm going to get somebody from San Francisco, because you're continuously going to fight the prices that they pay in San Francisco or Portland or other big cities. You need to start people young. You need to start them when they're in college, when they're coming out of high school, and you need to start giving them the skills. Otherwise, you will dry up on your maintenance end of the business.
What I find the most satisfying about all of this is that opportunity, that chance that a guy who has no experience, no knowledge of what job he is stepping into, that program helped me say, you can do it. The chance to have an apprentice program, being put into an apprentice program, is amazing. And from here on, it's bright lights.